What's up guys, Mr. Know-It-All here, and today I want to show you how to fix this dryer that supposedly it's not drying properly. So I'm going to show you some techniques on how to diagnose this dryer and see where we can find the problem. First thing you want to do, make sure that the timer is working. How you do that is you switch it into any of these modes, and if you listen to it carefully, you hear the timer clicking. So indeed, I hear the timer is clicking, so we're gonna go ahead and verify that it will start. So it starts. We're gonna go ahead and turn this knob. Make sure it turns off at every cycle, like so. So indeed, the timer is working. So we already diagnosed that. So that is clicking. It is completing each cycle, and it is turning off at each cycle. So that's good to go. Start button's good to go. The next thing you want to do, oh, they have clothes in here. Right, let's take this out. All right, so now that we got that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and close it. Put it on regular heat, which is your high heat, normal heat, whichever one. Signal, which is gonna keep that on, and we're gonna put it at a timer. We're gonna let it run for like a minute or so, just to make sure that the heating coil around the dryer is working. So once we open that, we should feel some sort of heat coming through. Oh, indeed, we definitely feel the heat coming through. Another trick, guys, is you put it on your timer. You hold the lid switch right here, which activates the drum and the heating coil without having to close the door. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look here and make sure it lights up red. So we're gonna turn the flashlight off. Okay, turn this light off. We're gonna run it. If you can look carefully around here, around this area, you'll see that the coil is indeed lighting up. So that means the heating element is working and it's heating up. So that's working. I'm gonna turn this back on, turn the light back on. There you go. All right, so we have one last thing, which is a common problem in these dryers and people really don't know about it, is the exhaust duction in the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this up slowly, and we're gonna check back here. There you go. So that's the issue. I'm gonna explain to you guys what the issue is. If you look down there, that duction is literally crushed. So what happens is moisture builds up in that duction, and it doesn't allow moisture to be released out into the atmosphere. So all that moisture is coming back into your dryer and it's circulating into your clothes. What it will do is it will dry your clothes, but it's going to take even longer, 2 to 3 times longer than normal to dry your clothes. So you always want to make sure that duction is completely clear. How you do that? Well, we're going to take it out. There you go. This might be an easy fix. All we have to do is make sure that when we're pushing in the dryer, we're not crushing the duction. So we're just gonna lift it up like this, like that, and like a little more, like that. There you go, like that. So we're gonna check it again. Looks good here. Push it to the side. Looks good there. And that's it. It should be working now. Oh yeah, feels a lot hotter now. So there you go. That's how you diagnose a dryer, guys. It's either not drying or it's taking too long to dry. Check that exhaust and make sure you check all these tips, and you'll definitely figure out what is wrong with your dryer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, it really helps out the channel, and I'll see you next time.